What is a concrete noun? A concrete noun is anything that you can see, touch, smell, taste, or hear. They are words that refer to objects that we can feel with our five senses. Example for concrete noun: chair, pizza, book, fish, flower. These are concrete nouns. Sentences: sit on your chair. I love to eat a pizza. Look, I caught a fish. Read your book every day. Remember, chair, pizza, fish, book, these are concrete nouns. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the opposites of concrete nouns. It means all those names of a matter that cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelt, or tasted. Example for abstract nouns: love, faith, anger, beauty, idea. These are examples for abstract nouns. Now, let's have some sentences. Have faith in God. Love your parents. Do you have an idea? Laughter is the best medicine. Faith, love, idea, laughter are abstract nouns. Now, let's have an activity. Identify the concrete nouns and the abstract nouns in the following sentences. The table is round. You may write your answers on your pad paper. Number 2. Love others as yourself. Climb up a tree. Control your anger. I got an idea. Now let's check if your answers are correct. Number 1. Table is concrete noun. Love is abstract noun. Tree is concrete noun. Anger is abstract noun. Idea is abstract noun. Good job!